Well, good evening, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Check out the high temperatures today, up by about 2 to 3, maybe 4 degrees across the area, except Shelton. We got up a little higher, up to 85 degrees so far. We're not completely done with the warming yet today, and don't pay attention to that number out there. It says the high temperature for us in Forks, 49 degrees. Not the case. Just getting a little bit of a malfunction with the reader out there. But we are expecting to see some cooler weather eventually arrive with our system that is now beginning to head into North America, impacting southeast Alaska, heading into British Columbia. You can see the front right there that is draped farther south. That will be heading our way late tonight and into the day tomorrow, helping to increase some of the clouds, but I don't think we're going to get any rain out of it. But it is going to start to lower the fire danger here on this side of the mountains as we go into late tonight into the day for tomorrow. We're still going to keep things relatively active, though, on the eastern side of the Cascades. Why? Well, we're going to have winds pick up a little more, and you can see how the winds go from more of a southwesterly direction from a northwesterly direction, blowing the smoke up into Canada, then bringing it back down as the front passes by, more so across eastern and southeastern Washington and heading into Idaho, Montana, and down into Wyoming. We're still going to keep the fires up here. No rain really to bring any sort of more or additional relief. But what we do expect is as we head into that time, hopefully we're going to start to see that the humidity values come back up a little more heading on into Thursday. And then by Friday and Saturday, then we're going to see those start to crank back down or start to crash back down again. You can see the haze showing up in the mountains here looking live in the Winthrop. Then we can see also a little bit of haze showing up in the sky right now out at Mount Rainier. We're at 77, winds coming out of the west-northwest at 9 miles per hour. Overall, still a pretty nice evening if you're heading out. 79 currently in Bremerton. We're at 81 in Olympia, 81 in Puyallup, and 74 in Everett. So a bit of a warm up, a few more of those 80s out there. And looking at the satellite and radar picture, what we're going to see is that this system move on through. We got another one coming in right behind that. That is going to keep things relatively, I would say, comfortable as we head on into the second half of the weekend and heading more so into the start of next work week. But high pressure, the dominant feature, as it moves eastward, it will start to work its way out of here and allow that low pressure system to come through. So red flag warnings out for the western slopes of the Cascades until midnight tonight. That's the elevated fire danger that we have here on this side of the mountains for the short term. Then you can see farther towards the east, when the winds start to pick up, we start to see those humidity values come down a little more by tomorrow. We're going to have a red flag warning that's going to go into effect across parts here of central and eastern Washington, and that's going to be also accompanied by this little patch right here of a fire weather watch. That's going to be from 2 to 8 p.m. tomorrow, and then a fire weather watch also for the western parts of West Washington. That's going to start up not until Friday morning at 11 a.m. and then that will last until Saturday evening at 11 p.m. Higher fire danger because of the winds, the higher temperatures that we're expecting then, and the low humidities. We're going to show you those temps here in a second. First, tonight, a few passing clouds. Then on into early tomorrow, we're starting off with the clouds, and I think it's going to be more of a partly sunny start for Wednesday. Once that front moves on off towards the east, we're seeing more sunshine and cooler temperatures settling in for the next couple of days. But check out what temperatures do as we get into the weekend. We'll go from more of those mid to lower 70s back up into the upper 70s, and we're talking 80s, upper 80s by Saturday, up to 87 degrees, falling to 84 on Sunday, and then falling back into the 70s next Monday and Tuesday.